Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Xbox. Whenever you're trying to install or play any game, you got the error code 0X87E0000D, especially with the Sea of Thieves. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Right click on Start menu and choose the option Run. Type here services.msc and hit the Enter key. From here, press the G key first to find the gaming service. Here it is. You need to right click on it and choose option Properties. Here, make sure if the service status is stopped, you need to click on the option Start, and in startup type, make it automatic. Nextly is Xbox Accessories Management. So press the X key. Again, double click to open it, and if it is stopped like it is stopped right over here, click on the Start option, and then in the startup type, from the drop down list, choose the option Automatic, hit Apply and OK button. Same thing you need to do with Live Auth Manager, Game Save and Live Networking Services. Once you have done these 3 or 5 changes, go ahead, relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Xbox error code 0X87E000002. If this failed to work out, click on the Start menu and type PowerShell. Run PowerShell as an administrator. Now in PowerShell, you need to paste a command which I will share you in the description of this video. Copy it from the description and paste right over here and then hit the Enter key. Now wait for it to finish the command, and once it is finished, again copy the second command and paste right over here by pressing the Ctrl+V key and then hit the Enter key. This will open Microsoft Store to you. Wait for it to open the gaming service in the Microsoft Store. Now go ahead and click on the option Install to install the gaming service, which in turn fix you the issue of Xbox error code 0X87E0000D. Now if this method also failed to work out, in next step, go ahead and completely reinstall the Microsoft Store. So again, copy this command to reinstall. Again, open PowerShell in the administrator mode, paste the command and then hit the Enter key. Now once it is finished, now copy the second command and paste right over here and hit the Enter key again. This will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store for you. Once it is reinstalled, make sure to restart your PC, and after restarting, go ahead and launch the Xbox app and try to download or play the game to fix out the issue of Xbox error code 0X87E0000D. Now if all the method fails, go ahead and open the Xbox app. Now simply in this search box, type in the name of your game and then right at your hotbar, click on the option Play. If the game is already downloaded, you will be able to play the game after searching the game in this search bar and then hitting the play option. And if you are not able to download the game, the only error is from the Xbox server end, and you can verify the same from their official Twitter handle. I'll share the link of this Twitter handle also in the description of this video, as they are saying the issue will be resolved by next week. So wait for a latest update to completely fix out the issue of error code 0X87E0000D. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.